Okay. Okay, now our next session is from Abi.
Yeah, Abi.
Abi from Indonesia, because we had LibreOffice Asia last year in Indonesia. That's the one after the pandemic. Originally in 2020, I like to hold the Asia conference in Taiwan, but that year we were canceled by the pandemic. So after that, last year in Indonesia, that's the first time we have this Asia conference again. So he is one of the staff coordinating all the conference. So he would like to share his experience here. So let's welcome Abi.
Yeah. Let's. Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Okay. Thanks for joining my session. Yeah. In this presentation, I will talk about the last year event of LibreOffice Conference Asia in Indonesia. Yeah. But before I start, let me introduce myself. Yeah. My name is Andreas Abi Permana. You can call me Abi. I'm from Surakarta, Indonesia. Now I'm working as engineer, DevSecOps engineer in one of company in Indonesia. I know LibreOffice since I'm in vocational high school. Yeah, and my parents bought me a brand new laptop, and one day after I bought it, I install Linux gitu, install Ubuntu 14, and in the Ubuntu is already installed LibreOffice. So after that, when I do homework, do tasks from school, I'm using Writer and LibreOffice Impress for that moment. And in 2019, I'm volunteer at the LibreOffice Indonesia Translation Project. Now in the 2019 in the Indonesia, there are projects to translate LibreOffice to Bahasa. So in the translation project is held in many city in Indonesia. So one of the city is Surakarta, my country. So I'm one of a volunteer at the moment. After 2 months after the translation, sorry. Yeah. From that moment, I'm very interested in open source. Yeah. So I can contribute to the to the open source without. I know that at that moment, I only know that if I want to contribute to open source, is by code. You know. But after I joined the translation project, I know that we can do many more to contribution, such as translation, design logo, and many more. So and I'm also as a founder of Paguyuban Bandung Solo, is one of Linux user community in Indonesia. And yeah, in the 2023 last year in the LibreOffice conference, I'm as a local computer coordinator. Yeah, so this is my social media and my website. Yeah, this is the LibreOffice Indonesia Translation Capture Surakarta in the 2019. This first was met with Rania and Mas Rifki and Mas Darian. This were from LibreOffice Indonesia. And after joining this translation project, I'm really interested in open source and in the Linux and free software. So after 2 months after this event, and my friend Arif is here, yeah, Arif, we found a local community in Surakarta. It's a Linux community. Yeah, there are old community in Surakarta. It's called KPLI, but it's not active, for many years. So we found new one, gitu. And currently it has 450 members, and established since October 29 and 2019. And we have opportunity to be the one of organizer and contributors in Loka 23 event. So, this is our activities. We held community gathering and meet up and workshop. Yeah. So let's talk about Loka. Yeah. What is Loka? Yeah. Loka is stand for LibreOffice Conference Asia and UbuCon Asia 2023. Nah, it's a collaborative event, ya. There's two event in the one big event. Yeah, there's a LibreOffice Conference Asia and Ubuntu Conference Asia. Nah, this organized collaboratively with LibreOffice Indonesia and Ubuntu Indonesia. Nah, the event was held on 7 to 8 October in 23 in the 11 Maret University, yeah, and it consists of parallel class, lightning talks, keynotes, sponsor tasks, and special guests and panel discussion. Yeah, this the photo of the event. So how the journey begins to hold this event? Yeah, in February in 2023. Our community Paguyuban Linux Solo is a received invitation from Rania. Yeah, we have small discussion that we have a meeting also with LibreOffice Indonesia and Ubuntu Indonesia. Then he said that will be two big events in Indonesia, and the two big event it will be held with. It will be held by one event collaborative, to be a joint event, gitu. And at that moment Surakarta was the strong candidate, so it's the still candidate like Sayembara, gitu. So yeah, they also suggested that the event will be the university and the campus. So rising to the challenge, yeah, we felt challenged. We Paguyuban Linux Solo, our community felt challenged and excited about this opportunity. And yeah, we was determined to ensure that Surakarta could successfully host this prestigious event. So after that, we started to look for candidate campus. So we call every campus in the Surakarta. We search that they can be held for this event, gitu. So this is the photo of a meeting with several representative for student association in Surakarta. So there are eight campus in Surakarta. And there's two big candidate is 11 Maret University and Universitas and Muhammadiyah Surakarta University. And yeah, long short story. After several meeting, we with LibreOffice Indonesia and Ubuntu Indonesia, and based on several conditions, there are some don't know how to say in English. How there are special requirement to host this big event, like a minimum capacity. There's must be a hall to meet the minimum capacity and so on. So we decided that the event will be held in 11 Maret University. So this is the photo of the venue. This is 11 Maret University, and this is the main hall that we held the LOCA in the last year. So after it decided, so we start to planning and preparation. Yeah, this is the on the May 22 May, the local event began to publicly announce. We announced in the Instagram and Telegram channel, and on May 30, the event logo and mascot will publish. So there are mascot in this event. This is the photo of the mascot and the logo. There's independent logo from Urbicon and LibreConf Asia. And on June 18, the CFP was opened. So when we held the event and the biggest as LibreOffice Confirm Asia, there will be an obstacle. There must be the obstacle, and there are three main obstacles to hold this event. First is sponsorship. We have really struggle with sponsorship, especially with local companies and local government. Yeah, because the package of sponsor is it's a bit higher because this is an Asian level event, right? And we must the package sponsor must be higher, and we have to adjust with Ubuntu also the sponsor price, yeah, the sponsor package. And the local government, they are very difficult to be a sponsor because in the local government the budget is have decided in 1 year before, so we can make a new budget to sponsorship this event. And the second obstacle is coordination. We have very difficult coordination with the student association that we have collaboration. So this is happened because the student association is not in the main campus area. There are two campus area, and one is the main, one is the we can let's say is campus B, campus A, campus B. The campus A and campus B is around 15 kilometer, maybe about 15 kilometer. So it's difficult because they was in the campus B, but the event in the campus A. Now, the student in the campus B is rarely go to campus A, and they don't know the administration process, how to permission, like how to we rent the building, or how to coordination with some parking, like etc. Gitu. Yeah. And it's time the communication also is time consuming because they have to go to campus A and back to then they it takes time. And some field issue, the field issue is happen in when this running the conference, like a technical problem, like a projector can operate projector, and the Visiotron is sometimes is blinking like that, you know. But thankfully we can manage all the problems. So the local was can successfully to be can be successfully to can held successfully. Yeah. So this is the iPhone highlight. There's some picture for the event. This is yeah talk from the main hall. Yeah, and this is the participant. There's also yeah parallel class. 30 parallel class. Yeah, this is the some of picture parallel class. Yeah. And yeah, there's also a discussion panel ya. Nah, with representative from Ubuntu and LibreOffice also. Nah, this is yeah the photo of all volunteer for the Loka 23. Yeah. Let's talk about volunteer. Yeah, we have really good support from the volunteer in Indonesia. Yeah, especially from there are many volunteers and many communities that involved in this event, such as Kelas Linux Arek Surabaya is Linux user community from Surabaya, Indonesia, Linux Nur Fikri, and Gymscape and student association from the campus, from 11 Maret University. And there is some event highlight. The participant is around turn 382 attenders from this event, including organizers, volunteers, and speakers. And 51% of the participant is students. So we have 45 speakers from Indonesia, Malaysia, Timor Leste, Japan, Korea, and Germany. So what I learned from this this experience. I know that from my experience, the importance of teamwork and communication, and also solidarity, support and support among community members. The importance of the preparation. So we have to prepare. We have make a detailed preparation for all thing that. All thing to do, all thing to prepare, etc. And we have to flexible to facing unexpected situation. And my valuable experience enhancing personal skill and capacity, and learning from the challenge and success phase. So the conclusion, why Aloka was successful is a dedication and hard work from all committee members, volunteers, and participants. Spirit of collaboration and togetherness in the community. So what the message for the participant is, we can use this experience to actively present in open source community, especially in LibreOffice. So and encourage more to get involved in and contribute. Okay, yeah, that's all.
Thanks, Abi. Any question for him?
Hi, I joined the Luca last year, so I'm interested in okay, first question, if in next time you have the option to hold the event with Ubuntu community or another community. You want you want hold the event by yourself or with another community, or it is first, and the second. I saw many student volunteers in the event, and I'm interested of how about the situation. They stay in the community, or they just join the event. Yeah.
The first question is that if you have a chance to hold event again, do you want to do with your community alone or co-host with other, like with Ubuntu again? What do you think?
Yeah, I think if next time I had opportunity to hold another
Event.
conference, I prefer to held this conference with other community.
With other community.
Yeah, with other community.
Okay. Why?
Yeah.
Why? What do you think?
Uh, uh, I can say in English.
You can say English. Anyone want to help? You can try use in the Java Indonesia and see if they can explain for you. Yeah. You can explain to them first and see if they can help you.
Ya, jika kalau kan intinya kalau diberi kesempatan untuk menghandle event, ya event lagi, ya saya lebih prefer untuk kolaborasi, ya, because dengan ya dengan kolaborasi kita bisa membuat
Thank you. He wanna say that actually he prefer to doing collaboration event. Why? Actually, doing two community event in one time is more effective for about finance than the energy. As we know, and Haris can be proof. Most of Indonesian first event, I and Haris will help organize. So when there are two events, it means I work twice. When it's being one event, I just work one time. So it's more effective, at least for me and Haris.
So I tell that never untold. Yeah, this is the secret about the successful creating a conference in Indonesia. Mostly if we create in Indonesia conference, the attendance is less than 400. And all is pay, not free like this, all is pay. So how to do that? In Indonesia culture, this is the funniest one. If ticket is free, people will apply, 10,000 participants. But only 20 comes. Yes, that's the first one. Yes. Okay. So we have a several package of ticket. First, for example, like $10. This is normal one. But there is also friendship package. It's mean for the close friend. It's $20. So if your friend, you must pay more. So we often challenge other. You are my friend, so pay more. If not, I'm not your friend anymore. And it's success. 30% is a friendship ticket. So there is someone, my friend, a teacher, she is buy normal ticket. We don't want it together with him. Really, it's true. And then the other one is a student ticket. We going to some school or university talk with the teacher, professor. Hey, we have special ticket for your student. Only 100. Only 100 students. This is special. Only your university get. But we move to another university. Tell about that. And we have a discount. 50% discount. Only for university. But we told maybe more than 20 university. So they apply and that's success. And the last thing is if you want to hold like that with the huge amount of the participant, prepare the A team. It consists of 3 people who can do everything like Superman, the Avenger team. And it must be the odd number, not the even number. Why? Because if if even number, if you vote, it will be half. So, and yeah, sketch. Or otherwise, you choose the one who becomes supreme leader like me. So I take over all. Silent. I choose this one. But there is consequence. Like in 2015, the place for the conference is not free. It must pay and really expensive. You can buy new motorcycle. At that time, oh my God! Then I buy by myself. So that's the supreme leader, the consequence. But that's okay. But just 3 people can do everything. Even everybody dies. Only 3 people. That's the point. That is the tricky part. Thank you.
When the ticket sold out, we still prepare special ticket with higher price, with with amount fairly limited, just 5, but 10 times more expensive. So if they wanna buy that. We call it late superhero because they donate they make a donation by buying ticket and actually they is superhero but they come late, so the ticket name is late superhero. That's why our ticket look like it's special and exclusive, but actually we set up it. Okay, thank you.
Okay, the second question just asked is about those staffs, young students, staffs in university. There are a lot of students, volunteer or not, there are a lot of staff there. And how many of them keep in the community? That's the question, I think.
Yeah. Okay. In this event is actually in the committee there are only 10 people, 10 students, and the volunteer is about 15 students, and there are also Nurul Fikri volunteers from Nurul Fikri, Nurul Fikri Linux NF is from another university from Jakarta, and they have also 10 people to join a volunteer. So the total student for contributing this event is around 25. And also from my community, Paguyuban Linux Solo, there are around 5 students from
Okay.
from the 5 students. So it's around 30 students are involving in this event.
Okay.
So every community gets some new member, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I can tell you that 5 or 10 or 15 or even 30, that's a huge success. Really, there are many events that all the staff working okay, very good, and then disappear. Right? If you are in the open source community long enough, you can see a lot of something like that. But really, actually, I had 5 talks in this event this year. And last year is Bayo Aji as a host, right? And he told me that he, correct me if I'm wrong, he got involved into the open source community because he was inspired by my talk, right? By my talk in 18. Yeah. So I'm really very honored about this, and I think as a speaker or anyone to organize this event, if we can inspire the one students to get involved into the open source, it's a very huge success. Okay, so I believe this event is really very good. We attended last year. Okay, thank you, Abby.